In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Google Docs. If you want your document to look cleaner, more readable, or better formatted for school, work, or personal use. Changing the line spacing is a simple but very useful tool. Google Docs makes this easy, and once you know where to look, you can update the spacing in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to change the spacing. This can be a new document you're working on or an existing one that needs formatting adjustments. Next, click on the text and highlight it. This step is important because Google Docs will apply the spacing change only to the text you've selected. If you want to update the entire document, you can highlight everything before moving on. If you only want to change one paragraph or one section, just select that specific part. Taking a moment to choose the right text helps you avoid changing formatting in places you didn't intend to edit. Once your text is highlighted, go to the top formatting row and click on the line and paragraph spacing icon. This is the menu that controls how much space appears between lines of text and around paragraphs. It's a handy option whenever your document feels too crowded or too spread out. After clicking that icon, you'll see several spacing choices. You can choose single spacing for a more compact layout, 1.15 for a slightly more open look, 1.5 for improved readability, or double spacing if you need more room between lines, which is often used in drafts, academic writing, or documents that need space for comments. You'll also see options to add space before a paragraph or add space after a paragraph. These are helpful when you want to separate sections without pressing enter multiple times. There's also a custom spacing option, which gives you more control if the preset choices don't match what you need. In addition to spacing, this menu includes formatting options such as keep with next, keep lines together, prevent single lines, and add page break before. These can be useful for keeping paragraphs organized and improving the way your document flows across pages, especially in longer documents. Once you select the option you want, Google Docs applies the change right away. If it doesn't look the way you expected, you can simply reopen the same menu and choose a different setting until it feels right. And that's how to adjust line spacing in Google Docs.